Step into the world of Renaissance artistry with the Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action, the ultimate tool for transforming your photos and designs into masterpieces reminiscent of the great Leonardo da Vinci. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, the Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action empowers artists, designers, and photographers to create captivating sketches inspired by the iconic style of Da Vinci himself. Da Vinci Style Sketch Effects. The Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action applies realistic sketch effects to your images, capturing the essence of Da Vinci's iconic style. From delicate lines and intricate details to subtle shading and hatching, the action creates sketches that evoke the spirit of the Renaissance. Customization options. Tailor the Da Vinci Style sketches to your specific needs with customizable settings that allow you to control every aspect of the sketching process. Adjust parameters such as line intensity, stroke width, and shading intensity to achieve the perfect look for your artwork. Easy-to-use interface. The Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action features an easy-to-use interface that makes creating sketches quick and effortless. With a user-friendly layout and straightforward controls, users of all skill levels can quickly master the action and create professional-quality sketches in minutes. Whether you're a digital artist, graphic designer, or photographer, the Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action provides you with the tools you need to infuse your artwork with the timeless elegance of Da Vinci's style. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with the Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to infuse your artwork with the timeless elegance of Da Vinci? Visit the Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action page today and discover the power of Renaissance-inspired sketches with the Da Vinci Style Sketch Photoshop Action.